So in this episode here, final episode of cooking our dishes, each of the student has their own particular curry. I happen to have the Masaman curry. Others have green curry, others have red curry, and so forth. So it's different curry, and we cooking up a dish here. As you see, I think earlier I was cutting up some onions and so forth. So it's gonna make like a type of sauce. And see, we have the tasting now. People are tasting to see how it comes out. Is it right? Is it just right? Do you have enough salt? Is it? From what I recall, mine was really good. So there we are, the tasting session going on. You know, as the saying goes about the proof of the pudding is in the tasting. I think it is something like that, right? Yeah, when you taste it, you want to make sure it comes out just right. It just has the right amount of salt, not too salty. If something is too salty, you can't eat it. It has to be right. It has to be cooked in a way that people want to eat more of it. Yeah. That's how it should be. So everybody is there at their pot stirring. There I am right there. Look at that right there. Look how good that looks. See? Yeah. So that can go well with rice. Add some rice to that, and that will make a lovely dish. See? Look at that. Add that right there. And right there it shows the Masaman and chicken. Yeah, Masaman. Chicken, I think tofu is listed also under that. Chicken. No, I had the chicken. I didn't have tofu. And you don't get big pieces of chicken. You get like small pieces that will cook fast. See? She came over here to me. Yeah, that lady in the green there, the green top, she was kind of funny. At one point, there's no audio of it, but at one point, I think one of them had something, but one of them had bananas, and she was telling the guy, shake your banana, you know? That sounds kind of funny for a lady to be talking like that, telling this guy to shake his banana. But yeah, it's Thailand. You never know what to expect in Thailand. So it looks like my dish is all set. I got all my stuff ready. Doesn't that look lovely? And of course, after this, in the end, we're gonna sit down and have a meal. Yep. Putting the finishing touches there. And one thing about Chiang Mai, it's not too hot, so it's bearable. So even though you cook in the kitchen where it gets hot, you're not like it's not overbearing where you feel like, wow, the heat is extreme, like in Bangkok. Nothing like that. hmm I get my rice. That's the sticky rice. See? We didn't make sticky rice, but the sticky rice was prepared. So sticky rice will go with that dish. And we'll see you on the other side in the other video.